Hey, what's going on, all y'all? Back with another STAAR related video for you. This one has to do with a little concept called estimation. Okay, let's take a look. PS spends from $40 to $50 at the grocery store each week. So what I want you all to do is pull out a little diagram whenever possible. Help you think about the problem. Alright, that means that the least amount of money she spends every week is $40 and the most she spends is $50. She spends about 20% of the amount on vegetables and fruit. Okay, so from 40 she spends 20% on vegetables and fruit, or from 50 she spends 20% on vegetables and fruit. So what we want to find is which of the following answers here is a reasonable estimate of the amount of money she'll spend on vegetables and fruit. Now remember, we're only going to spend 20% of this. Okay? So let's look at her actual savings. I'm sorry, her actual spending per week. So right down here, let's do how much she spends just on the stuff they're interested in, which is 20% or 0.2. So we're going to have to multiply. Now, just as a reminder, 20% equals 0.20, because you just take the decimal point and you kick it over 2 from whatever the percent is. Okay. And we can knock off the 0 here. We don't need 20. All right. 40 times 0.2. 0.8, 1 decimal point. So at the low end she spends $8 per week. The high end she spends 50.2, $10 per week. Okay, so she spends between $8 and $10. Okay, so that's the range that she spends, $8 to $10. Alright, which of the following is a reasonable estimate of the amount of money people spend on that stuff at the grocery store during 3 weeks? Okay, so this is 1 week, because it says each week she spends this. So we need 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, she's going to spend between $24 and $30. Okay? Somewhere between $24 and $30. So let's take a look. Which one of these is between $24 and $30? Now, it's real important to read your questions, because this one right here, that's to throw you off. Because if you just multiplied up and you didn't do the 20%, if you just multiplied up by 3 weeks, you'd have a low end of 120, or 40 times 3, and a high end of 150. That's why that question's there to get you. Don't do that. Read the question carefully. Okay, and 54 you see is too high. 9's too low. $26 is right in between. Okay.